In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Sheets2GCal add-on in Google Sheets. To get started, open your Chrome browser and go to Google Sheets. You can open an existing spreadsheet if you already have one ready, or simply create a new blank sheet. Either option works because the goal here is just to access the Google Sheets interface where add-ons can be installed. Once your spreadsheet is open, look at the menu bar along the top of the page. You'll see several options there, including File, Edit, View, and more. From that top menu, click on Extensions. This is where Google Sheets keeps tools that let you expand what the spreadsheet can do beyond the built-in features. After clicking Extensions, move down to Add-ons, and then select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is the place where you can browse and install add-ons designed to work with Google Sheets and other Google apps. If the marketplace takes a moment to load, that's completely normal. So just give it a few seconds. When the marketplace window appears, find the search bar and type in Sheets2GCal. Make sure the spelling is correct so you can quickly find the right add-on. Once the search results appear, look for Sheets2GCal in the list and click on it to open its details page. This page usually gives you a quick overview of what the add-on does and confirms that you're selecting the correct tool. Next, click the Install button. At this stage, Google may ask you to review permissions and sign in to the Google account you want to use with the add-on. Just follow the prompts on your screen carefully. These permission requests are a normal part of the installation process and are there so the add-on can work properly with your spreadsheet and related Google services. After you approve the installation, wait for the process to finish. Once it's installed, the add-on will be connected to Google Sheets and ready for use. Depending on your setup, you may need to close the marketplace window and return to your spreadsheet. That's it. You've successfully installed the Sheets2GCal add-on in Google Sheets through Chrome. As a quick tip, if you don't see the add-on right away after installing, try refreshing the spreadsheet or reopening it. That can help the new extension appear properly in the menu. Now you're ready to move on and start using the add-on inside your sheet.